my name is Denise Adams. I'm one of the Deans of Instruction at Butte College. So I've known Julie many, many years because we both have been employed at Enloe Medical Center. Julie started here at Butte College many years ago in our CNA program, was successful at that, went on to do an LVN program, and then that catapulted her into doing an RN program, and ultimately she got her master's degree. Julie has always had a very strong commitment to ensuring that healthcare, patient care is at the best that it can possibly be. She is just the epitome of what Butte College is all about. Start here, go anywhere. She started here, and look at where she's ended up as a vice president of a health system in her hometown. It's amazing.
I always knew I wanted to go into healthcare and nursing. We had small children at home. My husband owned his own business. We were, paycheck to paycheck, and we did not have an opportunity for which I could go to another university full-time. I had to work. I chose Butte College because it was available to me and worked with my lifestyle. I had no idea how intense it was. I had no idea the relationships I would make and how those would stick for my entire lifetime. There's not a better nurse than what comes out of Butte College, and I think they have the secret sauce. I think they really focus a lot on the clinical importance, the clinical care. Nursing at its core is caring, and I think that was something that I really enjoyed, that personal touch, providing service to folks, really doing good, being able to make a difference. And I can tell you to this day, if I got 5 nurses lined up and one of them's from Butte College, I'm gonna hire them. Ultimately, Butte College is responsible for my career and future. It gave me an opportunity to decide what I wanted to do, because nursing, you can do so much, right? You can work with patients in an inpatient setting, and outpatient, telehealth, do what I do in leadership. Nursing would always be at the core, but I had opportunities to go anywhere. Really what Butte is doing is making sure that our community has the patient or the people to care for our patients. Without having this type of school or a program here, it would be very difficult to get folks to come in and work in such a rural community. One of the things that our nursing instructors always instilled in us was that as a nurse, you always had to grow a nurse. So lucky for me, I was able to grow 2, both of which who have gone through the Butte College nursing program. I would have supported anything they wanted to do, but really my recommendation was that they go through Butte, and they are both successful nursing leaders today.
Thank you for all that you are doing, Julie, to support nursing and high-level excellent patient care at Enloe Health. I'm really proud of you, and thank you for all that you're doing.
A big thank you, first of all, to my husband, who put up with me through all of these programs, all of the stuff at Butte, and actually did all the work to keep our family running when we were really at a point where it was very difficult to do that. So thank you to my family for putting up with me going through school forever. A big thank you to my team, my colleagues, to Mike Wiltermood for kind of really believing in me all those years ago when he got here, and our entire senior team. And last but not least, thank you, Denise, for recognizing how my role and how important nursing is, and really being the advocate for our profession.